A warm welcome to everyone to this poetry session, and let's see who wins the race finale. But let us congratulate everyone who came up till here. Just 1 second. So I'm just so as I've told already. Okay. So since we know there had to be 5 finalists, but one finalist had withdrawn because she was unable to win poetry on the same topic. So I just and the other two aren't able to join because of some network issue. And so we are having their poetries. So there is no problem. Just am I not audible clearly?
Your voice is not clear.
Khushi, are you facing the same problem? Okay, just wait for a minute. Now am I audible? Khushi, if I remove my headphones, then your voice will be actually the problem will be your voice will be and everyone is leaving in the house. Okay, so I'll just text them. Wait. Okay. So Vanta, to start.
Yeah, definitely. Um, a very good evening to all of you. To those who are not here and who will be watching this video later. And I would like to thank Akshat to give me this opportunity once again to present before you all a very nice poem which I have written from the bottom of my heart. And the topic of my poem, just like Akshat had earlier mentioned, is online life. And so here I start. Real life, real priorities, all left behind. Because the trend of the days is social life being online life. People don't matter. Now it's only likes and dislikes, comments and shares. Is humanity really dead? Or is it just a nightmare? Smiling faces hiding pain. Evil usernames behind a sweet username. Deeper intentions than people behind that screen. If you knew the truth, you might as well scream. Those people pretend to care, but it's all fake smiles and fake bonds on the internet everywhere. Real people actually care. So very rare. The reality is, those caring usernames on the internet just don't care. People pretending to be who they are not. Trusting people on social media platforms is a blind man's shot. Rosy on the outside, inside it's not. It's just a sweet trap, and we're all caught. People don't share their lives on the internet. It's all made up of fake and unrealistic smiles. We see people protesting and raising voices everywhere, like Black Lives Matter, but they are up in swords and crime. They're up against against crime. But let me tell you, if it would have been happening right in front of their eyes, they'll be just fine. Instead making videos to upload on their profile. It's lies and hypocrisies everywhere. Only real people care. On the internet, it's just fake people, fake smiles everywhere. Smiling faces hiding pain, evil faces behind a sweet username. This is online life, and it's all a lie. So, yeah, that is it for me.
Okay, Vandita, very nice poetry. But it had to include something of lockdown also, as the topic was lockdown
I think in the last session you had given us an option like it has to be either one of those, lockdown life or online life, but
No,
online life is a must. It has to be there.
no. I wrote the topic lockdown and online life. You
Far as I remember, it was or maybe.
okay? No problem. It was very nice.
Thank you so much.
Next one, Kushi. Start.
तो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सो जो अभी चल रहा है बेसिकली हमारी कंट्री में या दूसरी कंट्रीज में, वो बहुत अच्छा नहीं है, चाहे वो सोशल मीडिया पे हो या हेल्थ से रिलेटेड हो, इकोनॉमी से रिलेटेड हो, कुछ भी। लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिविटी और बहुत ज़्यादा पेन है हर किसी के पास। और मैं इस टॉपिक पे कोई पोएम लिख ही नहीं पा रही थी क्योंकि मेरे अंदर कोई आइडियाज़ ही नहीं थे, क्योंकि कोई भी वर्ड्स, कोई भी सेंटेंसेस जो इस वक्त लोग जिस चीज़ से गुजर रहे हैं वो उसके लिए एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए इनफ नहीं था। लेकिन फिर भी मैंने कुछ ट्राई किया है और आई होप आप लोगों को पसंद आए। So, with all the negativity destiny has, online life feels better too. With all the two-faced people I have met, online life feels better to me. But for once, I could not talk about me, and here is the wider angle to see. I can't predict what can happen next. A earthquake, a cyclone, or another suicide. Oh, we humans claim that we have a long fight, right? My parents gave me a beautiful lockdown life. Some of them couldn't provide a shelter to their child. Walk through roads that never end. But who cares? Everything will be fine, my friend. Pressure, burden, uncertainty all came my way. But I realize that it is very, very easy to say. Power of littles is what never let me quit. So I stick with the fight when I was hardest hit. Anyways, life is difficult to explain, where some stays quiet and some speaks to guts. सच बताऊं तो ऑनलाइन लाइफ, ऑनलाइन लॉकडाउन sucks. Thank you.
Nice poetry, Kushi. Now I would like to present this poetry of to our contenders. Just wait for a second. Yeah. What's happening? Yeah. So is the poetry visible? I hope there's some lines are visible on the screen. Anyone? Am I audible? Okay. Vandita, okay. So I just read the poetry. With all the negativity destiny has, online life feels better to me. With all the two-faced people I have met. Just 1 second. This is a sorry. This is not the poetry.
This is Khushi's poem, which she just
Yeah. I just got to
read.
now. Sorry. Um,
Okay, not a big deal.
so this poetry is by Rashi Gupta, school teacher, who was one of our contender. So I would just like to present it. मैं एक अध्यापिका हूँ, जी हाँ मैं एक अध्यापिका हूँ। कोरोना की स्थिति में भी जहाँ सब कुछ बंद है, परंतु शिक्षण स्थिति आज भी यूं ही स्वतंत्र है। धन्य है टेक्नोलॉजी की देवी जिसने शिक्षा को ना रुकने दिया, घर बैठे भी जिसने न हमको एकजुट होने दिया। घर के काम और दोहरी जिम्मेदारी मुझको निभानी है, और कल कक्षा के लिए लेसन प्लान और पीपीटी भी मुझको बनानी है। नाश्ते के वक्त पर घर के सब प्राणी देख मेरी ओर, और मैं ठीक बन जाती हूँ, सिर्फ तकती हूँ लैपटॉप की ओर। 45 मिनट्स की शिक्षा के लिए 2 घंटे की तैयारी करनी पड़ती है। उस 45 मिनट में भी 10 मिनट मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है, एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू कहकर जान गंवानी पड़ती है। और इस पर मेरा कार्य ख़त्म नहीं होता, जहाँ सांस लेने का ज़रा सा वक्त आता है, वहाँ मेरी होड़ भी यह बर्दाश्त नहीं होता। न्यूज़लेटर, वीडियोस, फी कलेक्शन, ये भी तुम्हारे कार्य का भार है। तब मन में मेरे आता है, मैं शिक्षक हूँ या कुछ और, ये कहाँ का अत्याचार है। इन सब व्यापारियों के बीच सिर्फ रहता राहत का वो क्षण है, जब बच्चे जुड़कर कहते हैं, अध्यापिका जी सब समझ में आ गया, बस यही मेरे काम करने का कारण है। फिर सोचती हूँ शायद ज़िंदगी संघर्ष का नाम है, फिर मैं इससे क्यों डरूं। कर्म ही मेरी शान है, कर्म ही मेरी आन है, मरना मरना ही है, तो कर्म करके क्यों ना मरूं। राशि। So how was the poetry, Anjita?
It was a very beautiful poetry, and I really appreciate the poem.
Okay, sorry, I would not be able to present another poetry because it's in my phone and it's not with me right now.
Alright.
So shall I present one of my poetry on the same topic?
Yeah, definitely.
Just 1 second. Okay, just 1 second. It's not a good one, but we had tried it.
Akshat, poems are never good or bad. They are just, in my opinion, they are just, ways of describing or expressing your feelings, how you feel. So, it's always something really beautiful. And you should not hesitate to share it. I would love to hear it.
The topic is lockdown and online life. As the lockdown began in the 23rd March morning shine, we can see the life became online. Few became lazy and few at home had gone crazy. The aim just lead to none other than stop this poisonous COVID-19 wave which has grown worst for man. As asked lockdown by WHO UN to safeguard the life of every man addicted to phone and being online, that some has made it use even it at the time of dying. This is the truth we can't refuse. If the non-working of internet goes, then the mind of few of blows. Few use for good deed which is productive, few as a bad lead depicting it constructive. It all depends on you which type of gum you chew. Okay, so this was mine one.
It was a really nice poem, really appreciate it.
Thank you. And now we would like to end the competition. So you may leave right now. And the poetry and the recording for the season, I mean, it is round one is already on the YouTube channel. If you want,
Okay.
okay. So you want the link? It's in my Instagram bio. If you want, you can go from there.
Okay. Okay, okay.
And for
It
the
was really wonderful being a part of this competition. It doesn't matter if I win or lose, but being a part of something so nice. It was really nice, being part of this competition. And I really learned a lot of things. Like for me personally, I had never used Google Meet before. I'll just take a minute to share my experience.
sure.
And I never used Google Meet before, and it was the very first time that, through this competition, I came to know about Google Meet. I learned how to use it, and there were so many different poets over here, some very experienced, some who had just, begun or started like me. But, coming together was the most important perspective, and I really was influenced by amazing poetries, and I was surprised, that people could write so well. It sort of inspired me and motivated me to keep writing, keep working hard, and maybe someday I'll be able to express my feelings just as well. There was something I learned from everyone who came here. Someone, had their words penned beautifully, someone spoke very nice, and all I felt being a part of all this was inspired and motivated, and it left me wanting for more. So it was really amazing to be a part of this, and I would like to give my special thanks to you for organizing such an event. It is not easy because there are a lot of issues sometimes. Sometimes there is network connectivity issue. Someday some people might not be ready, so there are a lot of challenges I'm sure you must have faced, but I really appreciate your effort. At this age, you're trying to bring people together for such a encouraging and productive thing. I really appreciate your efforts, Akshat. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for saying such inspiring words. Actually, the thing of Google Meet came to my mind when actually while attending school. My school was on this software only, so that's why I came across with this. And with Zoom app, we all know the common one of the common app. I don't prefer actually Zoom because I think it's you have heard the news that it's not safe and all. So just for that I used Google Meet, and luckily when the competition was almost going to held, only few days prior only the Google had made itself free for normal users and also. So it was such a good thing for me also. Otherwise I had to take it on Zoom only. And yeah, sure, we can just have more sessions like this in future also. And on the YouTube you can also see the poetries of mine which I upload on every Tuesday, and the poetry of this is also been uploaded I guess 2 weeks ago only, so you can just have a look.
Yeah.
So
Thank you so much. Thank you, Akshat.